Since the dawn of humanity, our quest for superior materials has been ceaseless. From primitive tools crafted from stone by our ancestors millions of years ago, to the revolutionary discovery of metals and the emergence of even stronger materials like iron and steel, our desire for progress has driven us to constantly seek advancements in materials. In 2008, the National Academy of Engineering identified 14 game-changing goals for the 21st century, crucial challenges that must be tackled if we want to advance as a species. As we strive towards progress, many of these challenges necessitate the utilization of cutting-edge materials. As technology advances, we are driven to explore the possibilities of smart materials, the very building blocks that can shape our modern civilization. Experience the VinFuture Foundation's newest InnovaTalk webinar, Smart Materials for Energy Harvesting and Storage. The webinar will be chaired by Professor Sir Kostya Novoselov, laureate of the 2010 Nobel Prize in Physics, member of the VinFuture Prize Council. Every year since 2014, Professor Novoselov has been included in the list of the most highly cited researchers in the world. Professor Novoselov holds the position of Tan Chin Tuan Centennial Professor at the National University of Singapore and also the part-time Langworthy Professor of Physics and the Royal Society Research Professor at the University of Manchester. He is best known for his 2010 Nobel Prize award-winning work of isolating graphene at the University of Manchester in 2004. Featured as the distinguished speaker is Professor Antonio Castro Neto, Distinguished Professor in the Department of Materials Science, Engineering and Physics. He is also Director of the Center for Advanced 2D Materials and Co-Director of the Institute for Functional Intelligent Materials at National University of Singapore. Professor Neto will present the future of battery technology during the October InnovaTalk webinar. With valuable information and important knowledge promised to be shared during the webinar, this is an excellent opportunity for interested audiences to gain a better understanding of the progress and development of battery technology, especially in solid-state batteries, laying the foundation for a sustainable energy future. And finally, featured as the special guest in the webinar, the representative of Vietnam is Dr. Hugh Nguyen, the top 10 outstanding young faces of Vietnam in 2021 and the laureate of the 2021 Vietnam Golden Globe Awards in Science and Technology for Young Scientists. Dr. Hugh Nguyen completed his PhD in solar photovoltaics at the Australian National University in 2016. Currently, he holds the position of Senior Research Fellow and Senior Lecturer at the ANU, as well as serving as editor of the journal IEE Transactions on Electron Devices. Prepare to embark on a knowledge-filled journey as our webinar showcases 3 remarkable speakers and an array of insightful presentations. Join us at the InnovaTalk webinar, Smart Materials for Energy Harvesting and Storage, hosted by the VinFuture Foundation.